We're looking for simple sites. We're not trying to buy ourselves another job. We're buying ourselves investments or true businesses that don't mean that we have to show up every day in order to make a lot of money. So we want simple sites that are easy to manage, that have simple fixes that we can do. Simple things that we can renovate and improve that website. Just like the house, where we look for a house that just needs a coat of paint and maybe some, I won't say kitchen, bathroom. Oh my God, we've just done a bathroom and it's mental. So let's say coat of paint. Automated income. So we don't want to have to work for that income. We don't want to be sending, so when an order comes in, we don't want to have to package up goods and send it every time. That's work. We don't want to have to do physical work. And we want the high valuation potential too. Not essential, but great if we can pick websites that have the potential to then grow to something that we could sell for a really great price in the future.